Swadika. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie. Today I have a day trip to Samut Songkram province. It's in the central part of Thailand. It's very famous for floating markets, sacred temples, and salt farms. This is gonna be my first time after the COVID. I'm so excited. Let's go. Samut Songkram is around 80 kilometers far from Bangkok. It takes around 1.5 to 2 hours by car. Today we're gonna start at Amphawa floating market. It's one of the most famous tourist attraction in Thailand. We're gonna have lunch here, and after lunch we're gonna go to 3 temples nearby by boat. Now it's time for the boat ride. Here we are at the first temple. This is Wat Bang Prom. The Buddha image in the main hall of this temple is over 200 years old. The second temple is Wat Bang Kung. There's an old building covered with rows of plants at this temple. It's so incredible. It's quite hot today, so we need something cold and yummy, like coconut ice cream, to refresh our day. And now we're ready for the next temple. The third temple is Wat Chulamanee. This temple is very famous among Thai people. People come to worship the god called Tawesawan.
Was very nice and very good. And we have a lot of people coming with us. Today we have like 8 person come with us. Oh, we enjoy the trip. Okay, and I'm gonna join with Winnie and Rocky.
Yeah, I forget to introduce you. Yeah. This is our host today, Dream.
Hello everyone.
What's your name?
I'm you.
You from Japan. Yeah, how's today?
Good.
What's your name? Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Elena and I'm from South Africa.
Yeah, how's today?
Oh, it's excellent day. Beautiful weather.
Yeah.
Excellent.
What's your name?
Zui ครับ
From?
from from Vietnam.
Yeah, how's today?
Today,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Oh, we have to speak louder. And you?
My name's Luke
From?
from the UK.
How's today, look?
Been great. Been wonderful.
Is it a bit too hot?
A little bit.
It's alright. Yeah, it's alright.